Haikyuu.
This is a safety demonstration. Listen up. There's an exit in the front, there's an exit on the side, oxygen up top if the plane takes a dive. Floaty things are available if drowning is inevitable. Hear the ding ding, better be in your seat. I'm your flight attendant, no I'm not a mirage, just here at your service, I'm Nicki. No applause? It's gonna be that kind of fight. Okay.
Nice.
Ciao. Anyway, so
If you have any questions, please raise your hand at the end of my demonstration. Check your boarding passes and make sure you're on the right plane. Flight 2222. If you're not on the right plane, let me know so I can laugh at you. For snacks, we don't have any peanuts. Do not ask for peanuts. If you ask for peanuts, I'm gonna ask you to exit the plane, and yes, I'm aware we'll be 35,000 feet in the sky. If you need anything, there's a button above you. I'll answer, if the Nicki Minaj feels like it. Questions? Yes.
So there aren't any peanuts.
Any more questions? Yeah.
I don't think my luggage compartment is closed all the way.
It's closed, I checked it myself.
I don't think it is. I have a really big bag.
It's closed and secured. Enjoy your flying. You rang?
Hi, I'm Prudence, and this is my brother Zach.
Okay.
We're flying out to see our friend Zari.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah, we don't get to visit him a lot.
You rang?
Oh, right.
Our monitors aren't working.
Did you try turning them on?
We're not stupid.
If the monitors won't turn on, then I'm sorry, they're not working.
Fine, just put us in seats with working monitors.
Sure. Let me just ask if the pilot wants to swap with you guys.
You can do that?
No! My God! Use your phones, it's cheaper.
Our parents have us on a strict mobile data and Wi-Fi plan.
They don't trust us after the incident.
What show were you gonna watch?
Sim of Thrones.
Everyone dies, you're welcome.
Can't you just make these stupid monitors work? We've tried everything.
Didn't try that.
Dumb as hell.
Ma'am, would you like for the Nicki to give you a snack or beverage?
What kind of drinks you got?
We have water, orange soda, ice cream.
Snacks? What about the snacks?
For snacks, we have cookies or pretzels.
What kind of pretzels?
The pretzel kind. So do you want a snack?
Are they free?
They're free, yes.
I'm not paying for this.
I just said they're free.
I'll take a pillow.
This card is for beverages and snacks.
I'm not paying for no snacks.
You don't pay.
Okay, how much for those cookies?
$9.95.
Hey, does anyone want to trade?
Ma'am,
Does anyone want to trade?
you can't trade with anyone. Stop.
I want to trade these cookies. I don't want them.
That's too bad. I told you, once you got your snack, you can't switch it out just because you don't like...
Done.
What?
I just traded.
When did you...
Yeah, I'll trade my pillow for those cookies.
Wait, how the hell?
I just traded with her on the Buns app while you were yapping.
Thank you.